Hey guys, Justin here, and welcome back to another episode of Azkend to the World Beneath, on to chapter 15 of the adventure mode, Assembling the Sextant. I need to fix the Sextant so that I can navigate once I've reached open waters with the sub. Oh, we have Timely Tile Turner. Okay, that's the other one. Make every match next to a fiery tile in one level of the fire game mode. Okay. Oh, this franchise doesn't change the tiles! I just saw it does not change the tiles. I thought it actually changes tiles. It does not, it just changes the stuff. Damn. And also after you start a level, you cannot actually change the power-up. So that's why I have to beat this level with this Franchorn power-up, which doesn't help with the tiles. They just remove the tiles, but does not flip the board. In the other game, the Avalanche power-up changes and flip the board as well after you actually just go through. So basically, since you use the Avalanche, the entire row changes. This one, it does not. It just removes the tile and changes the tile to a different thing that you can match it easier. No. Not good. I'd rather go back to my hammer now, because the hammer helps with the tiles. Having a power-up that actually helps with tiles is very, very important in order to beat these things effectively. I completely neglected this side. That's not good. Oh, I missed one. That's really bad, actually. There's like nothing over here that I can match. I don't want to match that side, game. I want to match the other side. That does not work. Where can I swap? These on this side. There's nothing on that side. Okay, at least the thing did not disappear, did not lose the charge, so that's why I was able to just keep the charge going on. But I need something over this side, game. That'll help smite. That does not work. This one will work. There we go, another zap. We're gonna probably lose this one, game. We're probably going to lose this because there's so many still. And I literally cannot solve anything. Oh boy. Oh, I didn't see that one. We lost. Franchorn! No! Could have actually used the Franchorn there, but... Oh, inventory! Let's change. Let's change to the hammer. Oh, the hammer is so important. Wow, that's hard. I'm not joking. Maybe my speed is not fast enough. Let's go ahead and do a little bit faster in terms of the speed. Need this hammer. Hammer helps actually beat the map, so that's why. Instead of actually just removing tiles, it will help flip the tiles, so that's why it's very important to have a power-up that actually flips the tile along the way. I can't see anything again. This one's fine. You see, as soon as the hammer hits, it will blast the tiles, so that's why. This one's harder to deal with, so that's why we do that one. Ah! That one on the edge over here is also annoying. Oh boy, there's so much stuff here still. No, we hit the one I wanted to hit. That will zap all of them. Nice. Nah, that's not enough. Let's just do a long one to just zap it. There we go. Beat it this time with the hammer power up. Way more useful. Wow, that's just part 1? Damn. What is this one? Oh, puzzle. Okay. See, so this is the one that actually has that thing right there. So let's start from the top. There we go. Ah. Might have failed. Okay, that one did help there. No! Damn it. Okay, let's think again. I think this one's correct. And I think this one first. Then you can do this. Then this can go. And then this can go. Then these. Oh, no. This one will drop down there. Oh, that's... is going to work. Right there. Boom! Oh, bug. Just one? Okay. Just one doesn't do too bad. Guy's gonna beat the bug. Beat the bug twice there. There we go. Down it goes. It's right there, huh? Okay. I'll just do a long one. Doesn't look like it. That will work. Victory! Whoa! Okay, that's the third part of Sextant. Now into the fourth. Oh, more classic mode. Okay. This is what you always try to hope for. It's just basically non-stop lightning coming down. I need some help in the middle here. Oh, I chose the wrong one there for that find on the right, on the left side there earlier on. Should have gone the other way as well. That will help with that one, and that will clear that. Couple left. That will zap one of them. Let's get that one out of the way before they zap it, because I can deal with that. Is it possible to drop? Yep, there, that will kill it. Oh, it's right there? That's like the worst spot. Freaking hell. Oh, but that will kill it though. That's victory. Huh. That's why I like the hammer so much. New passive power-up, the collectible will navigate itself down the board automatically. What? Huh, that is crazy.
The is fixed and the submarine is running. Now to find my way back to civilization.
Oh, there's the submarine, it's running. There it goes. And we're out of here. To an unknown area.
I'm moving somewhere, but I think I should figure out how to control this thing more precisely. There are several hefty volumes scattered around the cabin. Maybe I'll find a manual somewhere.
Next is chapter 16, learning to drive. So somehow we don't know how to drive a submarine before we actually even get on it, but that's okay. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time for chapter 16. This is a long storyline, but we're almost there. Peace!